Customer service is changing fast, and cloud AI is becoming one of the biggest tools companies use to automate support and improve response times. From AI chatbots to smart ticket systems, businesses are now handling customer requests much more efficiently. So in this guide, I'll show you how to automate customer service using cloud AI in 2026. First, let's understand what customer service automation actually means. Basically, AI systems handle repetitive support tasks automatically without requiring human agents for every request. Next, select a cloud platform that offers AI customer service tools. Popular choices include Google Cloud AI, Microsoft Azure AI, Amazon Web Services, and other enterprise AI platforms. Now decide which support tasks you want to automate. This could include answering common questions, tracking orders, handling refunds, routing tickets, or managing live chat conversations. One of the most common automation tools is an AI chatbot. Most cloud platforms allow you to create chatbots that understand customer questions and respond automatically in real time. Customer experience. And that's your full guide on how to automate customer service using cloud AI in 2026. Hopefully now you have a clear idea of how businesses use AI to deliver faster and smarter support experiences.